excellent ball game also for him. He is scoring way beyond his averages.
Yes, absolute impeachment here ng proceedings natin. The Pirates trying to overthrow the Presidents, and the numbers on the blocks are with you, Edwin. Nakikita ko at ako'y gusto.
Pangasinan actually already had their hands on the ball, just slipped away. Just as this ball game appears to be slipping away from them.
So Jake Agapinwa blocked by Mendiola on the entry. Castro on the other side. Yes! Time remaining, Detroit 25. Jan Dumont for the Pirates. Looks like I spoke too soon.
There's still time with 7 minutes and 14 seconds.
Magat over to Dumont. Manny Gabato staying there. Shot clock ticking down to 8.
Brace off on their community channels nationwide through our Sky Cable affiliates and subsidiaries.
And coming soon, Thursday games on Sky Cable, and we wouldn't kid you. Meron naman Tuesday paminsan-minsan, di ba?
Oo. On their community channels nationwide through our Sky Cable affiliates and subsidiaries.
And coming soon, Thursday games on Sky Cable, and we wouldn't kid you. Meron naman Tuesday paminsan-minsan, di ba?
Oo.
Kakaroon din daw ng Thursday. But that's in the cross-conference round, I believe. Dahil madami talaga tayong laro. Pagsisiksikan yata ng NBA with it. Pagto pa nga yung barker natin at tumampas sa ilang seconds. Anyway, it's the final 2 minutes. Villafuerte missing on the jumper. Presidents still have possession here. He blocked on the entry. Juan Castro. There's no way Catalan is too far for a basket. Castro hands off to Habaho. Shot clock down to 9. Castro puts it up. And they put actually blocked on the entry. Juan Castro. There's no way Catalan
Sira oh.
is too far for a basket. Castro hands off to Habaho.
Yan o.
Shot clock down to 9. Castro puts it up.
Sira ka!
On the entry. Juan Castro. There's no way Catalan is too far for a basket. Castro hands off to Habaho. Shot clock down to 9. Castro puts it up. And they put
Ito na, baka yung lucky charm na ni Chuck West is beginning to work. Juan Castro getting more involved in the offense.
19